Okay, I don't know if you can hear that right now. I'll be quiet in a minute, but there is thumping upstairs. There's no one home. Can you hear that? Fuck. Okay, oh. And it stopped. Fuck, that's scary. Hello? Okay, the floorboards are creaking. I'm fucking terrified. It's the middle of the day. This stuff doesn't happen in the middle of the day. It should be midnight. There is no one up there. No, I'll show you. Cat's asleep. It's just me in the house. No one in my room. Mum's in America and my dad's gone out for the whole day. No one in there. No one's in the loo. No one in my dad's office. And this is where I think it's coming from. There's no one here. No one in there either. Oh, fuck me. Terrifying. This is not the first time it's happened. Okay, just for... No, no one home. Okay, yeah, that's it. Bumping sounds. Not helpful for revision.